Hi, good day. I'm Peter Crocom from Speciality Waterproof and Roof. Today we're here in the beautiful Silver Lakes Country Estate, and I'm going to show you how we prepare a clip rock roof and how we airless spray it. So often we find that the flashing and the valley flashing is connected to the sheet metal. The sheet metal needs to expand and contract. Now if this is riveted to your sheet metal, it will actually tear the waterproofing on the parapet wall, and this occurs quite often. So if you check the roof and you find that there's pop rivets that's connecting your flashings to your sheet metal, make sure that you disconnect that to make sure that the roof can expand and contract without tearing your waterproofing on the transition from your parapet. So if you look at the coating that was done here previously, only the primer is still in good condition. The finishing coat that they've put on here, the protective coating, has deteriorated to the point where you can actually see the primer. This yellow is the steel primer that was applied to this roof, and there was a grace finishing protective coating that was applied to this roof. Now this finishing coating or protective coating was either thinned down with water, or it was not really a roof coating. It was probably a PVA, normal PVA, or an interior product that was applied to this roof and has no UV protection. So this roof is only 6 years old, and there's no more protection on this roof except for the primer that's keeping the rust away. So we've got some palm trees here, and it's important to clean your gutter systems at least 4 times a year. This will prevent any build-up in your guttering system and also prevent your guttering system from rusting and deteriorating faster than what it should.